welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very simple, delicious recipe, stir-fry cucumbers. What I have here, two English cucumber. You can use any other cucumber, but I prefer to use this English cucumber right here. I got two of them, two long one. I got 8 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna slice half of it, and the other half I'm gonna just mince it. So I just slice it. Okay, just slice like that, and the other half I'm gonna mince it. Okay. Alright, for the cucumber, just trim off the top and the bottom right here, and just slice it in half. Okay. Slice it again into half again. And do the same things. So cut into 4. And let's do it one at a time. Just remove the seed right there. Just like that. After that, what you do is just in an angle like this right here, just cut it like that. Okay. Alright, I got a pot of water boiling right now, so I'm gonna blanch the cut up cucumber for about 15 seconds. The reason you blanch the cucumber so that that's easier, make it easier to stir fry, make it quick. Just for 15 seconds, that's it. You don't want to cook the cucumber, you just want to blanch it. Alright, that's good enough. Drain it. Okay, and then set those. It's about a teaspoon of oil. Put in the sliced garlic. Just cook it about 15 seconds or so. Yeah, you don't want to cook too long. You don't want to burn the garlic. 15 seconds or so. That's it. Put the cucumber in. Just put a tiny bit more oil on the top, just a little bit. A little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of sugar. The minced garlic, put it in. Cook it about a minute or so, that's about it. This is cornstarch. You want to thicken it up a little bit of cornstarch. Maybe a teaspoon of cornstarch there, and then just put water in there. Alright, mix the cornstarch with water. Dissolve it really good, and then just pour it in. I think it's cooked. Let's plate it up really. So this is a final product. Stir-fried cucumber. There's no meat, so just basically just cucumber, garlic, and salt and sugar. That's all it is, and it's very tasty and it's quick and easy. If you have a chance, please give this recipe a try. I really recommend it. Really tasty. It's good. Please give this recipe a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.